Hello everyone, Nadim here with PC.Solutions.Net, and today we are going to go over or actually continue with the security, improving our security posture for the enterprise. So I still have my test account here. Let me share my screen real quick. So over here we're going to go through and this is our, well, let's just go start from our security home. So we're going to go to security.microsoft.com. We're going to start from over there. And this is our the standard security portal that we have. And we're going to go over quickly about over policies. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into policies, and we have our Office 365 alerts. So we're going to go into this policy. We're going to create a new alert. So what we're going to do is when we want to create an alert when somebody shares an unusual amount of XLSX files with external users, we want to be notified. That would mean that they're trying to leak possibly intellectual property to outside entities. We want to be alerted about that, right? So let's go over here. We're going to just call it a test alert, testing a policy to alert for unusual amount of files, Excel files shared externally. So we're going to do a high severity. We're going to create, we can do DLP as well. Let's, or we can do other. Let's do data loss prevention. Let's see if we have the same option here. So when shared file externally, and the file extension is XLSX, then also when the volume becomes unusual for any users in the entity, then it's going to alert me, and there is no limit. So if it happens once a day, that's fine, it'll alert us. If it happens 20 times a day, it'll alert us each one of those 20 times. So here's what this policy is going to do. So it's going to alert us when XLSX files are shared externally and the volume becomes unusual. It will send me an email notification. So I can turn this on right away and hit finish. So now what this alert will do, what this policy will do, is alert me immediately when somebody shares an unusual amount of files externally. So what that means is that somebody's trying to leak information outside of the company. I want to be alerted, and then I can go take action on that alert. So just that one policy can, now just imagine how immensely it improves your security posture, right? Especially, like, let's say you're an entity that has a government oversight, and you have to be alerted if somebody is leaking information outside of the company, which this is a real case scenario where one of our customers has that requirement, where they need to be alerted when somebody's sharing an unusual amount of files externally. And this company has an issue with Excel files. They don't want these Excel files to be shared externally. These are custom Excel file with macros in there and complicated formulas in there used in the energy sector. And I don't want to go into too much details, but you know, they trade with energy, and that's why it's a concern. So once we do this, this is going to create these alerts in real time, and then management can take action and stop that behavior immediately as it happens. So you know, something like that can improve your security posture immensely, and you can see there's so many different options here, and the you know, there is already an unusual volume of external file sharing that exists by default, but what we did was we made a change in it. We had it to where it was Excel files only. This one is just a general rule, but you can see how it can make life a lot easier for admins, where they don't have to run reports and only know about such behavior, suspicious behavior, when they run this report or at the end of the month or end of the quarter. No, this is immediate. So once you set this, you're done. You don't have to worry about it. You will automatically get notified when something like this occurs, and you can take action immediately. It makes a huge difference. So that's it. We're going to try to keep it short. Until next time, everybody be safe out there. And do let me know if you have some suggestions on what you want to see, what you want me to make a video on. Have a great day.